A very good morning, students. Today we are going to solve your exercise number 17 and 18. So your very first question is, take 100 from 258. So you have to subtract 100 from 258. So you will get 158 as a answer. Is it clear? Then next, which two are the same? So you can see your figure A, B, C and D. Out of these four, A and D are same. Next, put these numbers in order, smallest first. So you will see the 100 digit of these numbers 3, 1 and 6. So the smallest one is 163. Then afterwards 361, 631. So next is, how many legs do 6 horses have? So one horse has how many legs? One horse has how many legs? 4 legs. So 6 horses will be having 6 into 4 legs, that is 24 legs. Is it clear? Sorry, this is your question number 4. Next is a cartoon was on television from 5:45 until 6 o'clock. Then how many minutes was it on? So this is your question number 5, that a cartoon was there on TV which started from 5:45. So suppose 1, 2. So here you are having one clock and a cartoon started at 5:45. 5:45 means the bigger hand will be here and the shorter hand will be near 6. So 5:45 till 6 it will reach here after some time. So how many minutes does it belongs? 9, then 10, then 11, then 12. So how many minutes are there? 15 minutes. Is it clear, beta? Next is, Dad planted 40 bean plants in 5 rows. How many bean plants were in each row? Totally how many plants did Dad planted? It was 40. And how many rows? 5. After dividing we will get 8. It means 8 bean plants are there in each row. Are 4 threes greater than 3 fours? So what is the meaning of 4 3? That is 4 into 3. This is your 12. Next is your 3 fours. 3 into 4 is again 12. So are 4 threes greater than 3 fours? No, they are equal. Next is your 100 plus 20 plus 5. So the answer will be 125. Next is 5 into 5 plus 5. So first of all you have to solve the bracket term. 5 into 5 gives you 25. Again plus 5, you will be getting the answer 30. Which two of these numbers add up to 100? So out of these 4 numbers, you have to choose any 2 number which when added gives you 100 as a result. So you can take 25 and 75. When you will add 25 and 75, you will get the answer 100. So your numbers are 25 and 75. Next is your 200 plus 50 plus 8. So the answer will be 258. Next is a television program started at 5 o'clock and finished at 5:45. How long was it on? So here again we are going to make the clock. This is your 12, 3, 6 and 9. Then 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So a program which started at 5. So you can see the longer arm is at 12 and the shorter one is at 5. It started at 5 and it finished at, it took how much long? 5:45. 5:45. So you can see, you can count the number of minutes. So this is the table of 9. 5 into 9 gives you 45. So how many minutes does it long? 45 minutes. Or you can also write 3/4 of a hour. Next is your question number 14. You have to find the values of A and B. For that you are given this table. 4, 8, 9, A 7, B 5, 6, 10. So that day I told you that you can either sum the rows or the columns. So I am here taking the row. 4 plus 8 plus 9. This will give you 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 will give you 21. So your sum comes out to be 21. So here you have to find A. Then 4 plus A plus 5 is your 21. 4 plus 5, 9 plus A equals to 21. A equals to 21 minus 9. A comes out to be 12. Next, if you want to find B, you can take 9 plus B plus 10 is 21. So 9 plus 10, 19. This is your 19 plus B equals to 21. B equals to 21 minus 19. B comes out to be 2. So alternative method I told you that 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 will give you 17. 17 minus 5 will give you 12. Then 21 minus 9 will give you 12 and 12 minus 10 will give you 2. So A is 12 and B is 2. Is it clear? Next is your question number 15, that you are given the sum of two numbers is 20 and one number is 9. So let other number be x. Let other number be x. So according to question, what is given to you? That 9 plus x is your 20. So x comes out to be 20 minus 9, that is 11. So x equals to 11. The other number is 11. Next is your exercise number 18. So the very first question is, is 6 into 5 equals to 5 into 6? So you can multiply 6 into 5, that is 20. Then you can multiply 5 into 6, that is 30. 6 into 5 and 5 into 6, both are 30. So they are equal? Yes, they are equal. So you will write the answer, yes, they are equal. Next is your 300 plus 80, that is 380. What fraction of 1 hour is 30 minutes? So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Question number 3. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So half of the hour equals to 60 divided by 2, that is 30 minutes. So what fraction of an hour is 30 minutes? That is half fraction. Is it clear? Next is take 100 from 385. So when you will subtract 100 from 385, you will get 285. Next is question number 5. That dad had 24 bean plants. If 6 bean plants fitted in a row, how many rows did he planted? So you can write total plants, that is your 24, and plants in a row, that is your 6. Then number of rows will be your 24 divided by 6. Answer is 4. So how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Next is your question number 6. How many rectangles can you count here? So the very first rectangle is this, second, third, fourth and fifth. So how many rectangles are there? There are 5 rectangles. Next is question number 7. What number is at A? So you have to see the arrow. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 will give you 20. And 20 into 2 gives you 40. So the number at A is your 40. Next is question number 8. 700 plus dash plus 2 is equals to 782. So the answer here is 80, because when we will add 80 with 702, so we will be getting to 782. Write this time in figures. So here you can see the smaller hand is at 11 and the bigger hand is at 1. So this is the table of 5. So 1 into 5 gives you 5. So the time is 11:05. So many of you will do this mistake that you will write only 5. So you have to write 05. Is it clear, beta? Next, take 20 from 425. So when you will subtract 20 from 425, you will be getting 405 as an answer. Next is, what fraction of 1 hour is 15 minutes? So all of you might be knowing what fraction is 15 minutes. 1/4 of a hour. Because when you will divide 60 by 4, you will be getting 15 minutes. Write this time in figures. So you can see the smaller hand is at 6. So you will write 6. And the bigger hand is at 3. 3 into 5 is your 15. So the answer is 6:15. This picture shows 5 2s. So you can see that the columns are 5 and the rows are 2. Or you can either write 2 5s. So you have to draw a dot picture to show 4 2s or 2 4. So you can draw that in either way. This is your question number 13. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This way, or 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Any way you can use to do this question. Next is your question number 14. What solid shape is under the pyramid shape? So you can see this is the pyramid and below it the shape is cuboid. Is it clear? Next is your question number 15. A farmer planted 4 rows of tree. There were 50 trees in each row. How many trees did he planted? So you have to multiply 50 and 4. So you will be getting 4 0 the 0 and 4 5 the 20. So how many trees? 200 trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.